YouTube, welcome back, and hold on, let me just select the map here. So if you guys can see on my screen, I have Redux. This right here is part 3 of the Making a Roblox FPS Game series. I know you guys like this series a lot. So here is part 3, and I'm very excited for this one because in this one, I will actually be showing you guys the gameplay. So you guys are actually going to see the updated gameplay. But yeah, before we jump in, let's check out some things in the menu here. So we have Arsenal, and here's what I have equipped: BPX2 secondary, the Magnum here. So we click right here, assault rifle, hand cannon, pulse rifle, we got all. So you see all the weapons here. We have the dash lender, which I like a lot. Skins right here, you can unlock these skins. So I'm using the base. So now let's hop right into the game. Let's hit deploy, and you can see the spawn is all the way up here. So we're just gonna hop down like so. So as you guys can see, the movement is very smooth and fluid. Here I'm sliding, sprinting, sliding. You can slide cancel as well. So slide cancel like so. This is going to be console/controller supported as well as mobile. So console is gonna have a bit of aim assist to help console controller players shoot and compete, obviously, because mouse and keyboard is a lot more accurate. So you can see right here we have these skins. I believe I showed you guys in the first part, but here's some right here. If we crouch down, the dash lender here, we have the tiger stripes, and we have the fish scales. We have a nice pattern here. Got some colorways and the completionist right here. So let's start. We have the copper, silver, gold, and platinum right here, which is a nice pink version. So these look sick in game. I have my graphics down to 1, but if we go to 10, you can see it looks better. Yeah, these are supposed to be here, but they are unanchored apparently. But we got some armor right here. You can see if you shoot, some effects and sounds. I'm just gonna turn this back down so I get more FPS. But there's a nice little force field. Let me show you guys the vaulting animation. So if you jump, you can vault like so. Just like that. So also, if you hit F, you can hit melee, which is a punch like in Apex. So you can punch people. G is a pulse grenade. This is not done, obviously, but as you can see, it will damage you like a pulse. So if we walk in, boom. Don't wanna get killed, but you can see that. The Q is our super, the Nova Blast right here. I'm gonna turn this up so I can show you guys, but this is how it looks on 10. Looks beautiful. Shoot this all the way here. You see the explosion here. Pretty cool. Oops, just hit myself. But anyways, what I really want to show you guys the most are these mobs here. Now, why is this so exciting? Because Redux will also have a PvE mode, which players can team up and do dungeons and raids together against AI. So as you can see, here are just some placeholder mobs. We're gonna have actual ones, obviously, but yes, Redux will be multiplayer where you can play against players, and also PvE, which you can do dungeons and boss fights for loot and leveling up. So if you guys are as excited as I am, make sure to drop a like right now, and also share this video right here with any friends that you think are going to enjoy playing Redux as well. Let me show you guys the health bar animation. So if you shoot, I'm gonna use the Magnum because this gun is not balanced at all. So the Magnum here, you can see you're in a circle around me, and there's a kill. You can see the radar in the top left, and let me show you guys a nice punch here. Look at this. That's funny. Look at that. Alright, knocked him down. Stand over him. Here's the boss room, right? Now he's gonna come after me. As you guys can see, super fun. Running out of ammo here, but there we go. We just cleaned up all these mobs. Oh, I should have used this on the mobs. I gotta reload here. I wish I had a player here. I wish I had somebody here to test with me, but it is kind of late right now. This is going to be it for part 3. I just wanted to make this part to show you guys the gameplay and the mobs here. Obviously, the gameplay framework is really smooth, but as you can tell, we have a lot more work to be done. Maps are going to be coming, you know, actual gameplay with a map and players and stuff. You guys got a lot to look forward to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Like I said earlier, drop a like if you did. And with that being said, join our Discord, check out our store, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.